What's up guys? Good morning. Welcome to this vlog, early morning vlog, where we have a snowstorm in Toronto. Time check is about 8 o'clock, 9 a.m. 3 degrees Celsius. This is life in Toronto. I know half of my viewers are outside Canada and they never had a experience of having a snowstorm. But here it is guys, living in Canada during a snowstorm. So we're experiencing about 10 to 20 centimeters of snow. At the end of the day, it started snowing at around 9 p.m. last night until now. So the snow accumulated. That's how thick, how high the snow is. So I'm just trying to shovel it right now and try to finish a little bit of the driveway and my stairway, just to have at least a nice pathway to walk. But guys, it never stopped snowing since last night. So that's it guys, we're almost done with our shoveling. I did the first half, then my wife did the second half, and my wife is just enjoying the snow. It's having a snow day here in Toronto. If you guys like this quick update vlog living in Toronto on winter time, this is it, guys. Enjoying the snow. You gotta enjoy the snow, accept it because it's winter time. So that's it, guys. If you like this quick update vlog, please like, subscribe, and like I always say, keep safe, stay healthy, and God bless. And just enjoying this snow day in Toronto.